Good morning. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Did you know today is National Waffle Day? I found a recipe on Lil Luna for Belgian waffles. And if you're looking for something to do today, maybe you could make some Belgian waffles. Here's a recipe. If you search Lil Luna, you can get this recipe, but really you can find Belgian waffle recipes just about anywhere. So if you've got those ingredients and someone at home who would be interested in doing a little project like this with you, maybe you can celebrate National Waffle Day together. You may also be wondering about next week and what that will look like for all of us. You should know that for the past 2 weeks, the division heads at school, myself, Dr. Bowman in the upper school, Miss Davis in the lower school, and Mr. Webster, the head of school, have been meeting a couple times every day and working on a distance learning plan for each division. We have been working on a master schedule for middle school. Those are being finalized, and they will be sent home to you and your parents very shortly in the next couple days. So you should plan on thinking about how you will do school from home, setting up a work and study area that would work for you. I decided to set up an area in my alcove, which is the upstairs of my house. And I'm going to carry my laptop and show you this area. Here's what I've set up to be my desk at home. So you can see I've got a couple lamps and a nice little desk that I can use. And it works. You want to have something like that at home as well. So that's something you can start thinking about right now. You want to make sure also that you have your iPad and charger so that you're ready to go on Monday. And look to hear from me again soon with some updates and some details. I'll be sending a letter and some information about distance learning to your parents in the coming days. But I want you to know that your teachers miss you, your advisors miss you, and we are all looking forward to getting together soon, even if virtually. Reach out anytime between now and Monday. I'd love to hear a little bit more about what you're doing. And if you do make those Belgian waffles, please let me know how they come out. All right, have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to you soon.